Before this video begins, I just want to say, we have agreed on rules and things you're not allowed to do, and I basically broke almost every rule by saying no subbing to them, go sub to me, they're both cringe, and I called them both elbozos, and that's almost every rule. So, yeah, I might be wanted criminal now. Alrighty. Okay, so currently two of my friends, they're fighting, not like an actual fist-to-fist fight, but they're just in basically going back and forth at each other. And it all started when my friend insulted Alex xxAlex, and go check him out. He's really cool. And the person that I'm currently watching, his name is Spoonlord. Don't subscribe to them. They suck. They absolutely suck. Anyways, he's my friend tried a Undertale FNF song and failed. And, and sometimes they are really hard, and it's just like, yeah, you can't really do it on the first try. You got to learn it slowly. It's a very hard game at fast paced, and he's just shows off, and then my friend Alex, he goes back after him, and he goes after him just by calling his channel cringe and just making fun of him. Now, all YouTube channels are cringe at the beginning of their lifespans. I mean, if you look at this man's channel at the beginning of its lifespan, he was playing Fortnite. He had cringy Rich vs. Pro Minecraft things. He has a cat. The cat's cute. Still alive somehow. Not somehow. Today. I'm an idiot. And yeah, you can't really call somebody cringe if you're playing Fortnite recently. Where is it? There it is. Yeah, he was playing Fortnite recently. You can't really call somebody's cringe if you're gonna do that. That's just stupid. And then my friend Spoonlord, I say my friend way too much, goes back after him. Not only within the span of about 12 minutes later, I think this is, he goes back after him. And he's just like, okay, well, if you were making fun of me for using no voice, he used his voice. I forget what else he was going after him for, but why did it restart? It's just nonsense, and the only really reason why I'm commenting on this is because they're both cringe. I'm actually a god, and neither of them deserve subscribers. Subscribe to me. Don't be cringe. Goodbye.